Good morning, guys. Market is open. I have not taken any trades so far. I'm just analyzing the trade. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, Banknifty is falling. Take it to next support definitely. Right, and this is good now. You can see 5 minutes time here. See, I have not taken any trade, okay, even in M stock, right? I'm just trying to do the analysis now, right? Let's wait. It is not formed any entry. It has not given any. Now it is registered anyway. We need to wait. Basically, there is rejection happening on the top, and Nifty is falling, and Nifty is holding a higher level. Okay, so Nifty also will have to correct today little bit. Okay, see what happens. So it's correcting. Okay, let it. There should be a selling pressure, I think, expected on the top. Okay, this will be a quick scalping, which can do. I just keep ready. I don't take an entry. Okay, instead of Thursday, don't take an entry. Okay? Just keeping things ready. That's it. Nifty is trying to take support. That's okay. Nifty, sorry, Banknifty, we are not taking care of that. Okay, so there should be a selling pressure expected. It's at 5 minutes. Low is breaken. See, it is trying to break. Not taking entry. I just kept ready. Okay, it should have to not on with 10%. That's fine. 90 पे आना चाहिए. 90, 80. Trying to sustain at higher level. थोड़ा correction तो होगा. Yes, there is a correction expected. It's coming. See. Let's see. I'm not taking any trade so far. I'm just waiting. Think by yourself command. It is trying to scale and it will come down. See, मैंने entry कर दिया. Let's see. See the percentage, right? First entry ये तो resistance थोड़ा breakdown लिया. Sara, everybody are going down. Okay, so I am planning sales rate. One candle, that's it. 1% return, right? 2% return. This is the way we need to make the trade. Break to दिखा रही है. Let's see. 1%, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many candles? एक कैंडल ग्रीन तो आना चाहिए. देखो. 2% again. One candle is enough. If it goes 1 or 2, it will be your 5% return achieved. And then exit. देखो देखते देखते इसका ले लो. 1% तो है ना. 99 इधर तक आ गया. चला जाएगा. देखो there should not fall the way. Okay. The expectation is that will be taking a resistance. If it is not taking down, then I'll exit. 3%. 3% chala gaya. Then we need to plan for exit. It is not able to go, right? So if it comes down, it will easily fall हो जाएगा. हो रहा है अभी. I will wait. देखो 2% loss है ना. No, this will take support. This will take support. Definitely take support. Just have patience. इतना जल्दी नहीं लेकिन क्योंकि ट्रेंड टॉप है ना. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी. इतना जल्दी वेट नहीं. देखो 2% पे आ गया, राइट. So if it goes 105, my target will be achieved. 10% return. Yes, if it comes 105, then एक 5%, 10%, 10% पे आ गया. देखो 7, 6. चलो अभी थोड़ा चलो जाएगा 1% जाएगा. देखो चला गया. 11% पे मैंने बुक कर दी. So this is the trade, guys, right? You see how much I invested. How much did I invest? I invested how much? I will show you. See, 1025, right? 10% return. It is easy.